Back in the day, real estate agents had a secret weapon for selling homes. They called it staging. But here's the truth. Staging is just an illusion. The real power lives beneath the surface, in the bones and systems of the home. Buyers eventually see through surface tricks. They open doors, run faucets, flick light switches, and step onto balconies. If they sense neglect, the illusion collapses. That's where we come in. Think of us as the ones behind the curtain, keeping the code running smooth. We're not just making things look good, we're making them work. Tighten what's loose before a buyer spots it. Refresh walls, floors, and finishes so nothing feels tired. Eliminate leaks, squeaks, cracks, and signs of wear. Modernize outdated fixtures to shift perception. Clear deferred maintenance that could tank an inspection report. This is the real staging, invisible to most, yet impossible to ignore once experienced.
We specialize in bringing properties up to a level where staging can actually shine, where buyers don't just see a dream, they believe in it. So here's the choice. Keep patching the illusion with surface tricks.
Or address the source. Repair, prep, and maintain so the illusion becomes reality. The market doesn't reward flaws. It punishes them. Where buyers don't just see a dream, they believe in it. Buyers always hunt for discounts. Maintenance isn't optional. It's the shield that protects your home's value. Here's the choice. Keep patching the illusion with surface tricks or address the source. Repair, prep, and maintain so the illusion becomes reality. Ready to plug into the code that keeps deals alive? In the matrix of property sales, maintenance is the master key. All-world construction, where the illusion ends and the real work begins.